This actually is very much like the kind of project I'm going to talk about, but I'm going to first tell you how I got there. So I spent the past year going backward. Instead of getting a promotion, I became jobless. Instead of buying a bigger home, I became homeless. I used that opportunity to basically wander around the world. I simplified my life in many different ways, but the three things that I want to talk about simplification is, one is quantified self. So instead of focusing on QS, instead of focusing on quantification of myself, I focused on improving quality of myself. Still QS. The second thing is about big data. So instead of talking about big data, I actually told some of my friends, every time I said big data, just slapped me. I started focusing on localized data that are interoperable and connected to each other. And instead of focusing on Internet of Things, I got more interested in building networked communities of people and basically connecting them, connecting people together. So in my wandering around the world, last 3 months I spent in Mumbai. I don't know how many of you people have been to Mumbai, but the scale in Mumbai is pretty amazing. Won't be anything to impress the Chinese friends, but basically it's a third of France jammed into a city. Every day on local trains, 1/3 of Canada travels every single day. So the scale is just massive. And so there I was, in the shadow of Bollywood. I spent 3 months hacking science education. I was at the Center of Science Education in Mumbai, working at a small little biology lab where we were experimenting with new ways to engage kids in biology. Kids from 6 years all the way to 25 years. Now, I'll connect it back with a project that I did about a year ago, where we took air quality, we designed air quality monitors, and we installed them in an urban environment in the United States, and used the data collected from those monitors to drive a public display of art. The idea was to connect people back to their environment in ways that they could understand. I want to repeat similar kind of a thing, but at the Mumbai or rather the Indian kind of scale. So our plan is, there are 300,000 schools in India, and they make for perfect hosts for these air quality monitors. And these 300,000 schools they're full of kids who are ready to be exploited, like one, to study the environment. So the idea is to basically create these biology learning spaces and install these air quality monitors and, well, exploit the kids to collect data, have them connect back to the environment to basically understanding the impact of fresh air and the importance of fresh air, quality of air around them, and see where it takes.